It's storming out, maybe you should come inside and tell me why you don't wanna be alive. If you don't respond, I'll put my shoes on and lay down